Hi guys, uh, welcome back to my channel Love Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this voice search feature that stopped working in many of the Mibox S. So how do we fix it? So first thing what you have to do is you have to disconnect any dongles that are connected to Mibox S. Any dongles, any wireless keyboard, anything that you are connected, please disconnect it. So I'll show you. So here is a wireless dongle that I connected for this wireless keyboard. Okay, so what I do is I will just remove it. Okay, keep it aside. Okay, next thing what you have to do, so you need to go to settings. Okay, first thing you have to do, okay, just go to App Store and you go to My Apps. Then you're going to find out the Google Assistant or Google Voice Search app. Okay, here it is. So what you have to do is uninstall the updates. So click on uninstall. Okay, so next thing what you have to do is, so you have to go to settings. Okay, go to system settings. Okay, then go to remote and accessories, and you need to unpair this Xiaomi remote. Okay, you need to unpair it. Okay, so once you unpair it, pair it back. Okay, okay, so I paired it back. So next thing what you have to do is you need to click on the voice search button on your remote. So click on voice search on your remote. So it will ask you to do a couple of steps. Okay, click on continue and click on continue, click yes. Okay, that's it. So your voice search will work perfectly from now. So you can just try. Play 4K videos. Hang on. Play 4K videos.
Okay, playing 4K videos on YouTube.
Okay, okay, this is how we can fix this voice search feature which stopped working with many of the Mi S boxes. So if you still have any issues, please comment it. So you can connect the dongle back, and also you can update the Google Assistant app. It works fine. There will be no issues with that. Thank you and have a great day.